What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to talk about how to add echo effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now we are inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first step is to click on the Window tab at the top of your screen. In the Window tab, click Effects. Type in the search bar Surround Reverb. Now drag that surround reverb that you just discovered to the audio. If the audio that you play does not alter the surround reverb, then go to the window and click Effect Controls. While we are in the Effect Controls, click Surround Reverb and click Edit. In an Edit tab, raise the gain volume to make an echo. If you want more, right-click the audio and click Audio Gain. It's up to you how much you adjust it. And that's it. That's how to add an echo effect in Audio Premiere Pro.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.